Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily request ChatGPT to translate a phrase to another language, making communication across borders a breeze. To get started, you'll need to have your phrase ready for translation. Think of the message you want to convey in another language, whether it's a simple greeting or a more complex sentence. ChatGPT is here to help. Now let's structure our request. Start by introducing your phrase like translate this phrase into insert the language you want and then provide the actual text you want to translate. For example, translate this phrase into French and then our text is hello, how are you? Well, let's try it. With your request structured, it's time to interact with ChatGPT. And then, just like what I did, you simply type or say your introduction or phrase you want to translate. ChatGPT will process your request and provide you with a translation in no time. So the translation of hello, how are you in French is bonjour, comment ça va. I'm sorry for my accent. I don't know how to say it, but ChatGPT already gave the translation that you requested. So as you can see, you'll see ChatGPT's response with the translated phrase. It's like having your own personal translator at your fingertips. Copy and use the translated text for whatever purpose you need. And that's it. You now know how to seamlessly request ChatGPT to translate a phrase into another language. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to global communication. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on requesting ChatGPT translations. See you on my next video. Using ChatGPT for translation is not only convenient but also a fantastic way to connect with people from around the world. So the next time you need to bridge the language gap, remember this simple technique and spread your message far and wide. Happy translating!